Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15FD. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15FD turns on but the screen is cracked, you're not alone. This common issue often arises from accidental drops or pressure applied to the display. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, potentially affecting the internal components and rendering your laptop unusable. To ensure a successful screen replacement, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, tweezers, and of course, a new screen compatible with the HP 15FD. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Place the HP 15FD on a flat surface, and using the plastic opening tool, carefully pry open the back cover. Take your time here, as rushing can lead to damage. Once the back cover is off, you will locate the screen connector and the screws holding the screen in place. The faulty component is the screen itself, which will be visibly cracked. Gently unscrew the screws securing the screen to the device, using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to apply moderate force to avoid stripping the screws. Next, disconnect the screen cable carefully, using your tweezers if necessary. Be cautious not to damage any nearby components as you work. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old screen is removed, take your new screen and connect the cable securely. Align the new screen with the screw holes and replace the screws, ensuring they are tightened appropriately but not overly so. After securing the screen, carefully reattach the back cover of your HP 15FD, pressing around the edges to ensure it clicks into place. Finally, power on your device to verify that the new screen is functioning properly. If all is well, you've successfully replaced your screen. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a protective laptop case or sleeve, and always handle your device with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.